want to show you a Tolino Shine 3 e-reader, together with a travel leather case. Let us first have a look at the box of a Tolino Shine 3. Here is an overview of all features. And here we've got the leather-like looking protection case in red. It comes with an integrated magnet to wake your ebook reader and bring it back to sleep. Okay, let us get everything out and have a look at the ebook reader. The accessories are an USB charging cable, a warranty card, and a quick start guide. We will quickly browse through the quick start guide. And this is how the Tolino Shine 3 looks in detail. Let us turn the e-reader on. We gonna have a look at the basic functions. Here we've got the Thalia ebook shop. This is how to change the brightness and temperature of the lighting. Let's select a sample book. Here we can change the font size. Just use the finger gesture, known from Apple iPhone smartphones. Okay, let us turn it off and put it into the protection case. Here you can see the integrated magnet in action. The screen will turn on automatically when opening the case. The e-reader will go to sleep automatically too, by just closing the case again. The materials of the Tolino leather-like case feels high class and looks great. At the end, we want to give you an overview of all Tolino ebook reader you can get on the market. There are 4 different Tolinos available. There is Tolino Page, Tolino Shine 3, Tolino Vision 4 HD, and Tolino Epos. In this list you can see all different functions compared to each other. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.